This video is going to show you how to review a test or quiz with a student and how to change a grade for partial credit. Go to your MyLabsPlus course, click on Course Tools, and then click on Gradebook. Once you're there, click on the student's name. Next to all of the assignments, you'll see this Review button. If I click to review a quiz, the quiz will pop up in another window. Notice there's green checks next to questions they got right and red checks next to questions they got wrong. If you go to a question they got wrong and they answered partially right, like they did here with the 2x plus 32, and you want to give the student partial credit, you would go up to the grade where it says 0 out of 1 and type whatever credit you would like to award. So if you want to give half credit for this question, I'd give that 0.5. Be sure to hit Submit Grade. Once you do that, notice the test score is automatically recalculated. And over here, you can see that the student got partial credit with that green check and red X. If you did this in error, you can go back and hit 0 and submit the grade again. Once you hit close, the grade will be updated and there'll be a star next to the grade to indicate that you changed it.